My students, how are you? Grade 3. Today we'll explain from your book, lesson number 3, unit 1, arrays and properties. We have properties about multiplication, like if you write 3 product by 2, it's equivalent 2 product by 3. We call this properties commutative properties. We can replace the place about 2 digits. Mark has, look at this question here, solve and share. Mark has 12 sports cards. He arranges the cards with an equal number in each row. Find ways Mark can arrange his cards. We can write 12 by write what? We can arrange by vertical and horizontal. We know 12 equal 2 times 6. We can draw the array contains of 2 rows, and each row contains of 6 elements. You know the steps? Look at with me here. We know 12 equal 2 times 6, or 12 equal 3 product by 4, or also 12 equal 1 times 12. You can use easy method. If you want write 2 times 6, you can write 2 array, and each array contains of 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can arrange the total number because Mark has 12 sports cards. He arranges the cards with an equal number in each row. Find ways, Mark, this way or this way. 3 times 4. We can arrange by 3 rows, and each row contains of 4 cards like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 4 cards. Okay. 4 cards in 3 rows. You can do this method or this method. Okay, then the solution here in the table. Okay. You can write the answer down. And you can complete the table here. I will complete the table. Number, look at here the steps. I will write the answer here. Number of rows cards and number of cards in each row and total number. The total number was 12. 12, we know 1 times 12 equal 12, or 12 times 1 equal 12. Also we can write 3 row and 4 cards in each row. 3 times 4 equal 12. You can using commutative properties, and 4 product by 3 equal 12, and also 2 times 6 equal 12, and we can replace 2 number 6 and 2. 6 times 2 equal 12. So you can complete the table by all this answer. We have 1 row contains of 12 cards, or 12 rows, each row contains of 1 card. Or you can write 3, number of row 3, and the number of cards in each row we can write 4. The total number will be 12. So you must know this fact family about 12. 12 equal 2 times 6, or 12 we can write here 3 times 4. Okay, or you can write 12 equal 1 times 12. Okay, understood? Okay, then he can ask you this question. You can write a simple answer about this question. Look at here. What do you note about the number of row cards, the number of cards in each row, and the total number of cards at the lane? Simple answer here you must write the total number of cards is always 12. 12 by 1 and 1 by 12. You can replace 12 by 1 and 1 by 12 arrangement have the same total number of cards, and also a 6 by 12 because 6 times 2 equal 12, and 2 by 6 arrangement also are equal because 2 times 6 equals 6 times 2, as are 4 by 3 and 3 by 4 arrangement. 12 times 1 equal 1 times 12, and also 6 times 2 equal 2 times 6. Then the last one, 4 times 3 equal 3 times 4. You can replace using commutative properties. Understood? Then answer right and displays down. Okay, next page. Here, this page, look at with me. This example. How does an array show? Look at here. This example. How many rows? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. Each row contains of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total will be 4 times 5 equal 20. The number of rows here will be 4. 4 rows, and the number of elements here will be 5. Each row contains of 5 elements. The total number will be 4 times 5 equal 20. We can use multiplication, okay? Or you can write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 20. Then the containers show 4 rows and 5 columns. We call that 4 row and column. Columns, it's meaning vertical, okay? This row, this we call it rows, okay? And vertical here we call it columns. It's columns, okay? And 4 times 5 equal 20. Multiplication can also use to find the total in an array. You can write 4 times 5 equal 20. Okay. We have this work about this example again. This example here. We know 3 times 4 equal 12. You can draw 4 groups, and each group contains of 3 elements. 4 times 3 equal 12. Okay. It was question page 13 also. You can draw 2 rows. Each row contains of 6 elements as like. Next page. This question we will answer here about question page 14. Look at with me. This example. Question page number 13. Construct arrangements. Jason here has also swimming. Jason also swimming. Medal collecting. His display has 5 rows. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. With 5 medals in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can write 5 by 5. 5 times 5 equal 25. We can write multiplicative, just the number of 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then 5 times 5 equal 25. You want to draw array for Jason medals, and you just keep counting to find the total number of medals. Then write multiplication equation for the array. Who has more medals, Jason or Dina? We can write 5 times 5 equal 25. Jason also have swimming. Like this, we have 20. The number here 20, and here was 25. And Jason has more medals of Zin. Understood? Because the answer first here about what? About Dana. Dana keeps here swimming medal collecting and display wall. We solve this example and explain it. 4 times 5 equal 20. There are 20 medals Dana collecting. And now here Jason collected 25. Then Jason has more medals than Dana. Okay? Jason has more medals than Dana because 25 greater than 20. Next page. Here. Now he explained about 4 times 5 equal 20. It's equivalent 5 times 4. We use here commutative properties. You can replace the places about 2 numbers. We call it commutative order property of multiplication. Says you can multiply number in any order and the product is the same because 4 times 5 it will be equal 5 times 4. And what about this example? We have example here down. Question number 1. May puts movements in 4 rows with 7 movements in each row. Draw an array to find the total number of movements. We can write the total number 4 times 7. 4 times 7 or 7 times 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. You can draw 4 rows and each row contains of 7 elements, or you can write the inverse. 7 rows and each row contains of 4 elements. We have 7 rows and 4 columns, or 4 columns, or 4 rows and 7 columns. You can replace it. Then the answer here by right hand side, okay? Like this. 4 times 7 equals 28. Okay, we can draw 4 times 6 equal 24 about next question. Do you know how? Rewrite and solve multiplication equation for array. This example, you can write what's the number of rows here. Count with me. 1, count through 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 rows. Each row contains of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times 6 equal 24. Okay, then the total number here will be 24. Understood? This example you can draw 4 times 7. So in this example you can solve. He wants you to solve any place. Okay, like this. 4 row. Each row contains of 7 movements. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 4 times 7 equal 28. Okay, next question. Complete here. 4 times what equal 8 here? Who can tell me? We can count the number of elements in each row. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. In each row contains of 2 elements. And 4 times 2 equal 8. Okay, right here. Right. 4 times 2 equal 8. Count. You can find the result. 4 times 2 equal 8. How to find the result? You must start from 2 and add 2 4 times. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 4 times 2 equal 8. And next question here. 2 row. We have 2 row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we can write 2 times 4 equal 8. We can count, start from 4, 4 and plus 4 plus 4 equal 8. And also question number 5, we have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 row. Each row contains of 3 elements, 4 times 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we can write 4 product by 3 equal 12. And here, 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12. We eat 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4 equal 12. You have 3 row. 1, 2, 3. 3 row. Each row contains of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4, 8, 12. Next question. Next page, page 16. Problem solving. Lisa draws these 2 arrays. How are they arrays? Alike? How are they different? We can solve this example here. Count with me here. We have how many row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 row. Each row contains of 3. 5 times 3 equal what? 5, 10, 15. Then the answer will be 15. And the next here we have 1, 2, 3. 0, and each row contains of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 5 equal 15. Then they are equivalent. 5 product by 3 equal 3 product by 5. The result will be 15. We called it commutative properties. Okay, then the answer about this question here by right hand side. Okay, write the answer. Both show the same number of objects. One array shows the objects arranged in 5 rows of 3. And the other array shows the objects arranged in 3 rows of 5. Okay, then 3 times 5 equal 5 times 3. Next question here, number 7. The answer down here. Okay, I will explain about this example. We know 4 times 4 equals 16, and also we can write 8 times 2 equals 16. Here is the solution, okay? Solution here, 8 times 2 equals 16. Or 2 times 8, you can replace 1 times 16 equals 16, and 16 times 1 equals 16. And next question, number 8, higher thinking. Ramino says he can use the commutative property of multiplication to show product 4 times 6 is the same as the product of 3 times 8. Is he correct or not? No, we must write the same numbers. The two multiplication product has the different factors. Then the commutative property of multiplication applies only on product with the same factors. We must write the same factors. So 4 times 6. Here we can't write the commutative properties. The commutative property about 6 times 4. But 6 or 4 times 6 equal 3 times 8 equal 24. It's not commutative properties, but 6 times 4 equal 4 times 6, we called it commutative properties. Next question, number 9. Albert put 5 in each of his 3 empty page bank. How many necklaces did the plate put in the bank? And write a multiplication equation to show how you solve the problem. We can count 1, 2, 3. We have 3 plates. Each one we have 5. Our models contains of 3 plates. And 3 times 5 equal 15. This is the total number here will be 15. Okay. Arrangement practice here. Equation. This example. Equation 5 times 5 equal 5 times what? 5 times 8. We use their commutative properties. Choose 8. And question 11, use commutative property multiplication, which following expression equivalent 5 times 4. 5 times 4 equal 4 times 5. Okay, using commutative properties. Choose here letter P and here letter P also. Okay. Next lesson number 4, division. Now we will explain division. You know division is operation about inverse of multiplication. Like when I asked you about 3 times 2 equal what? Equal 6. Right here, 3, we know 3 product by 2 equals 6. Then 6 divided by 2 equal 3, or 6 divided by 3 equal 2. Okay, it's the inverse of multiplication. Look at this example here. 6 friends picked 48 graph fruits. They want us to share them equally. How many graph fruits should each friend get? We can divide it 48 by 6. Because we have 60 friends. 48 divided by 6. Ask yourself about table 6. 6 times what? Equal 48. 6 times 8 equal 48. Then 48 divided by 6 equal 8. Then each one he can get 8. Okay. So the answer here in this example. How can you use contrast to help to solve this example? You can write this answer. Simple answer in this place. Okay, down here I can share 48 counters by placing them into 6 equal groups. Each group represents one friend, and I can count how many counters are in one of the groups to find the answer. Okay, and then also write 6 here is the answer. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. Next question. 3 friends have 12 toys to share equally. How many toys will each friend get? We can divide it 12 by we have 3. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Then each one get 4 number in each group. Okay, number of toys will be 4. We can divide 12 by 3 equal 4. This you can do by any method. Like this you can draw the number line or the bar chart. Look at this example. About last one, we have 48 divided by 8. You can use this method to find the result about this question. Okay, you can use this method. We have 48 divided by 6 equal 8. You can draw 6 circles, and each circles of group here contains of 6 elements, or 8. 6 times 8 equal 48. For the inverse, you can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one contains of 8. Like this. This and this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 6 times 8, 48. Okay, next page. We will explain this question again. About division. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Now, we will solve this question. What would happen if 3 friends wanted to share 13 toys equally? They can't, because 13 can be divided by 3. 13 divided by 3 equal 4 and the remainder 1. Okay, then in this example, when we write 13 divided by 3, the answer here will be 4 and the remainder 1. 13 divided by 3 equal 4 and the remainder 1. The simple answer here, each of the 3 friends would get 4 toys, and 1 toy would be left over. 1 left over. Okay, you can write the steps here. Next question. Do you understand 18 ages are divided into three rows. How many ages are in each row? With the bar diagram to solve, we can write 18 divided by 3 equal what? We can write here 6 and 6 and 6. So we can divide it. 18 by 3 equals 6. And the number of ages will be 6 ages. Okay, and then the answer here, like, what is the answer? Here we have 6 ages. Question number 2. Can 12 grapes be shared equally among 5 children with no grapes remaining? Explain. We can write here, child will get 2 groups and there will be 2 groups left over. We can write here 12 divided by what? We want to divide 12 grapes shared equally among 5 children. 12 divided by 5 equal what? And remember, we know 2 times 5 equal 10. It's the nearest to 12. Then 12 divided by 5 equal 2. And remember what? Count just after 10, 11, 12. Then the remainder 2. Then 12 divided by 5 equal 2 and remainder 2. So you can write here, no. Can 12 grapes be shared equally among 5 children? No. Each child gets 2 grapes and remainder 2. And there will be 2 grapes were left over. Okay, it was question number 2. Question number 3 here. 15 bananas are shared equally by 3 monkeys. How many bananas does each monkey get? We can divide 15 by 3. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Okay, we can divide it. 3 parts, each part contains 5. Then each group contains 5 bananas. Next question number 4. 16 plants are divided equally into 4 pots. How many plants are in each pot? We can write 16 divided by 4. Do you remember table 4? You know 4 times 4 equal 16. I write 16 here. Okay, then 16 divided by 4 equal 4. 16 divided by 4 equal 4. Then check the drawing about the plants. We can put it here and divide it 4 parts. And we have 16 divided by 4 equal 4. Right here 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. Independent practice here. Marbles are divided equally into 6 sacks. How many marbles are in each sack? We can write divided here. 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6 equal what? We know 18 divided by 6 equal 3. We can write 18 divided by 6. We have 6 plates here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18 divided by 6 equal 3. Then in each part we have 3. Okay, check this drawing. 3 marbles. In the answer here 3 marbles. Question number 6. 16 crayons are shared equally by 2 people. How many crayons does each person have? We can divide 16 by 2. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. You can divide this 2 parts and each part contains 8. Okay, understood. Next question. Next question here. 7 to 10. Example 7 to 10. Complete each equation. Give us your equation and we tell us you must complete it. 12 divided by 2 equal what? Look at here. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Then we can write here 6 in this place and 6 in this place. 16 divided by 8 equal 2. In each place write 2 here. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. And 14 divided by 7 equal 2 because 7 plus 7 equal 14. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 9. Then 9 divided by 3 equal 3. Question number 11. Jim is putting 18 beans into equal groups. He says if he puts them into 2 equal groups, he will have more beans in each group than if he puts them into 3 groups equal. Is Jim correct? Explain. We can write 18 divided by 2. We know 18 divided by 2 equal 9. But 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So it's not correct because we have the wrong answer. If he writes 18 beans into equal groups, he says if he puts them into equal groups, he will have more beans in each group. Okay, look at here. He want to combine it upon the result. Okay, right here, 18 divided by 2 equal 9. It's more than 18 divided by 3. If he divided 18 beans into 3 groups, then each group contains 6. Then 9 greater than 6. Then it will be true about the relation, about the answer. Yes, you can write here race into equal groups. There will be, like here, 9 beans in each groups, because divided by 2 equal 9, 3 equal groups will be 6 beans in each group, because 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Then you can complete the relation 9 greater than 6. Next question number 12. Make sense behaviors. Mysteries. Look at his mysteries class. I will clear it to see the steps. Okay. It's important to see the question and answer. Okay. Mysteries class is hosting a fundraising challenge. The students in her class are divided into 4 teams. Each team has an equal number of students. Do you have enough information to find how many students are on each team? Explain. You know the solution? No, he give us the number of teams only. No, I need to know the number of students in Miss Trina. You must know the number of all students to find the answer. But in this example, I don't know the number of all students in the class. If he tell me in the example the number of students, I can divide the number of students by 4 teams and to find the number of each student in each team. But in this example, no, I need to know the number of students in Miss Terry's class. Question 13. Look at question number 13. Erika draws a hexagon. Maria draws a pentagon. Who draws the shape with more sides? And how many more sides does that shape have? We know hexagon contains of 6 sides, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We called it hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. These sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Maria draws pentagon: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We called it pentagon. The pentagon contains of 5 sides. Then 6 minus 5, it will be 1. And the difference between them, it will be 1 more side. 1 more side. Okay. Next question. Number 14. The flag varies in Breda Marsh is 9 rows with 5 flags in each row. Write an equation to show how many flags there are. We have the number of rows was 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In each row contains of 5 flags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Then the total number will be 5 times 9, or 9 times 5 equal 45. 9 times 5 equal 45. Okay, then the total number here will be 45. Okay. Next question, number 15. Number sense. Jean and some friends share 40 shell beans equally. The number that each friend gets greater than 40 or less than 40. Actually, we know 14 or 40 divided by 5 equal 8. Gina and some friends share 40 jelly beans equally. The number that each friend gets greater than 40 or less than 40. It's sure less than 40 because we divided the number. Less than, okay, less than 40 because we will divide 40 by the number. When I share a group equally, I am divided up a total into smaller equal groups. Okay, like if we write 40 divided by 10, if we write like this, 40 divided by 10, the result will be 4. Then the result here less than the number. So in any time when I share a group equally, I am dividing up a total into smaller equal groups. And 40 divided by 10 equal 4. Next question, number 16. Joy has 12 chills. She gives 2 chills to her mom. Okay, page number 17. Okay, this question is page number 17. Okay, my students, again, Joy has 12 chills. She gives 2 chills to her mom. The remainder with him will be 10. And and her sister shares the rest of the cherry equally. Then we can divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. How many shells does Joy get, and how many shells does her sister get? Understood this example? Again, Joy has 12. She gives 2 shells to her mom. 12 minus 2 equals 10. And then divided again, shortened by her and her sister. Okay, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Then they each get 5 shells because 12 minus 2 equals 10. So there are 10 shells left after Joyce gives 2 to her mom. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Next question, number 17. Okay, to finish question number 16, last one. Challenge the question here. Okay, this question, challenge number 17. Which of the following context does the expression 14 divided by 2 represent? 14 means arranged into equal groups. We must choose letter C, 14 divided by 2. Because he will divide it by 2, then 14 means arranged into equal groups. Next question, question 18. Which of the following context does equation 12 divided by 2 represent 12 boxes arranged equally on 3 shelves? Choose letter A. Let's finish question. Next time I will explain lesson number 5. Inshallah. Goodbye.